What's up, guys? You did We're gonna be playing Teardown. Yeah, let's go ahead and hop right into this. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and click the link in the description for some merchandise. So yeah. So wait a second. How do I get out? Wait a minute. What? Oh, it's a sliding door. I would have not known that. I'm not gonna lie. I think that is very dangerous. Oh, dang, bro. Then now that has like double protection. You know what I'm saying? All right. Oh, come on. Well, both of you just. Oh, that's how it works. Oh, so all of them can go now, huh? Okay, well, I want all of you to close. How about that? Wait, there's two of them? Okay, this is too much for me to understand. What? Bro, I'm more confused than I am wondering. Okay, wait. So I think how it works. Dude, there are so many flipping windows, bro. Okay. I know how this works. Okay, so this is the front window. And then, so this would. Wait, no. This one goes first. So slide over there. Yes. Now, no. You stay over there. Now, this one just seems to be nowhere to be found. Can you just stay right where you are? Thank you. Alright, and now this one. Oh, what the heck? Oh, never mind. I have no idea how these windows work. Wait, all of them are not a window? What? Okay, I'm so confused. Okay, well, this is double glass, so it should be a whole lot harder, but it's not really that much. All right, okay. All right, what should we use? All right. What is this? Oh no, I know what this is. If I click it, it's just gonna put me in a place that I can't get out of. A quad shotgun. All right, what about this quad shotgun to the face? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, bro, this thing is insane. Bam, bro, this thing is sick. Bam, bam, bro. I love how you just absolutely destroy this. It's just so the sound it makes is just amazing. Look what it did, bro. Bro, that's actually this is the best gun in the game right here. I'm not gonna lie. This gun is so fun to use. Bro, I haven't actually seen the pipe button in its original state in a long time because this thing, my brother turned it into a banana. So I've always used it as a banana, but that's what the pipe bomb actually looks like. Wait, can I spin it? Oh my gosh! Oh, let me back up. Bro, I'm oh my gosh! Bro, what? Oh, the vehicle condition is 0. Yeah, that makes a whole bunch of sense. Banana gun! Yeah, that does absolutely nothing. Alright, well, let's use the Kirby bomb. Oh my god. Alright, where's my C4? I want to play with my C4. What? C4, where are you? C4. Oh, C4 right here. Oh my god, just legit C4. Why am I holding it like this? Wait, so I can change the explosion size. Explosion size 4, 100%. Time between explosions, 0 seconds. Press left mouse button to plant the charge. Press K to detonate the charges. PL to change the size of the explosion. Okay, that's turning it down. I want it max. I want to change time between explosions. I hate that. I hate that. I really do, bro. I'm not gonna be able to change the time between explosions. Bro, I hate how if you click the Omega cube, like right click or can I turn this shit like can I change the settings? No, you can't. You can't. You can't. You legit cannot. Oh my god, that's just so dumb. Alright. And I died? Bro, what the heck, man? Oh my god. What the heck? Yeah, I want to do a map. I really hope that it isn't laggy because whenever I do train maps, they're always lag. Like they are filled with lag, bro. So where is it? Oh wait, no. Content. Where is it? This one right here. Okay. Toggle watch response is yes. Toggle dismiss Christmas decoration. Alright, let's play. Oh my gosh, bro. All my mods loaded like so fast because we have 73 mods. That is. Oh no. That better, bro. Bro, one of our mods is a pickaxe mod. And that pickaxe mod makes my game lag for whatever reason. I'm like, what? So if that mod is activated, I'm not gonna be happy. Please, 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 please. Why is this map have lag? Are you kidding me, bro? Oh my. Oh, so. Whoa! Yellow snow! I wonder who did that. Okay, that really looks yellow snow. Oh, wait. Yo, wait. There's like effects when you step in the snow. Okay, that's sick. And it ain't effect. Oh, this map is lagging! I want to play the map with no lag and giddy. What was that? Nothing. That's sus, kid. That's really sus. Really sus. Okay, can I just use the C4? I just want to use C4 at this point. C4, 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 C4. Supernova railgun C4. Yeah. Okay. V. Oh my god, bro. Bro. Okay, V. Look at that lag, bro. Okay, plant that. Oh my gosh, bro, the sound is crazy. Dude, oh my gosh. Like, why am I lagging, bruh? Okay, you gotta know I gotta place one right there. Bro, why are you falling like that, man? Bro, did I already break this bridge? Oh no, they're just not connected. Bro. Bro, I have such a low frame rate right now. I'm just gonna strap so many to this wall for absolutely no reason. Oh my gosh, dude, all of this lag is so annoying, bro. I'm just gonna spam them. Okay, as soon as you do this, I go to the other video. Okay, I absolutely filled this entire place with C4. Now it's gonna explode in 3, 2, 1. Skadoosh. My game is completely frozen. Oh no! Yo, that was sick! Okay, I gotta do that again. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. That's all from me, and I am out. Peace. Subscribe and I'll eat your cookies.